night shift by the water. Clock strikes 12 like every night. Something pulls me to stay longer when that full moon shines so bright. Can't explain these ripples forming, knowing tonight's so still, so clear. Heart skips when surface breaks and you appear. Every 30 days I'm waiting, never early, never late. My job says I should stop you, but I hesitate. Why do you only come when the moon is full? Why do you only swim when the moon is full? Water beads across your shoulders. Never speak, just float on by. Breaking rules to watch you longer. Can't look away, don't ask me why. Sometimes think I'm just imagining the way you smile up at the sky. Every month I'm getting closer to diving in. Every 30 days I'm shaking. Should I break this sacred space? My mind says I should stop this, but I can't escape. Why do you only come when the moon is full? Why do you only swim when the moon is full? Between duty and desire, between water and the shore, between reality and something more, something more. Why do you only come when the moon is full? Why do you only swim when the moon is full? When the moon is full. Every night I take the stage, moving through the blue light haze. They all watch but don't really see what these movements mean to me. Kimi wa mite no, are you watching in this crowded space? Watashi no kokoro wa, my heart is racing at your face. Dancing for the crowd, but moving for you. Every step I take is something to prove. Dancing for them all, but feeling you near. When our eyes connect, they all disappear. Oh, they disappear. Baby, they disappear. Professional smile, practice grace, but my eyes keep finding your face. In the VIP section tonight, where the water casts blue light. Behind these choreographed moves, there's a message just for you. Every spin tells a different tale, one that makes my heartbeat feel. Moto chikaku ni come closer through this midnight air. Kimi to odoritai, I wanna dance with, but I Dancing for the crowd, but moving for you. Every step I take is something to prove. Dancing for them all, but feeling it near. When our eyes connect, they all disappear. They disappear. Baby, they disappear. Should I break all the rules? Leave the stage behind. Take your hand in mine. Make this moment true. La la la, watching you, watching me. Ooh, watching you. La la la, feeling so wild and free. Baby, feeling free. Dancing for the crowd, but moving for you. Every step I take is something to prove. Dancing for them all, but feeling you near. When our eyes connect, they all disappear. They all fade away. Nothing else remains. Everyone's gone and the water's still. I pull out my mop, just doing my fill. But something about this place calls to me. In empty halls where no one can see. These marble floors and chandeliers been watching me hide all these years. Each night I wait till the last guest fades away.